Hi, welcome to my tutorial on expanding expressions. What we're going to look at today is just expanding single bracketed expressions. I've got three examples to look at. They do get slightly harder. So let's have a look at example 1. We've got a basic expression there inside the brackets where we've got two terms, the 6x and the 2, and we've got this 3 outside. We need to multiply the two terms inside the brackets by the number outside the brackets. So we start off and we do 3 times 6x, which gives us 18x. We then have to do 3 times a positive 2, which gives us a positive 6. First one's very simple. The next one, example 2, we have got powers involved here. So we need to remember our powers law. Because we're multiplying, we need the multiplication law, which states that when you're multiplying powers together, you add the index numbers. So let's remember that as we do this. So the first one then, x squared times 4, just gives us 4x squared. But then we've got to do x squared times negative 3x squared. This is where we need to use our powers law, and we add the index terms together. So that gives us negative 3x to add 2 to the 4. The last one a little bit more complicated. You've got two sets of brackets. We do each one individually and then simplify them at the end, collect the like terms. But the first thing we need to look at here is this second part. We've got the negative sign in between them, but no number. If that's the case, we need to put in the number 1 before we actually go and expand this, because we will get confused with this negative and negative if we don't. So always put that in first. Now we're just going to expand each term individually. So we'll start off with the first one. You've got negative 4y squared times y squared. Index law again, multiplication law, gives us negative 4y to the 4. You've then got your negative 4y squared times negative 3. The negative times the negative gives us a positive. So we get positive 12y squared. Now we move on to the second one. And we've got a negative 1 times 2y squared, which is negative 2y squared. And finally, we've got the negative 1 times the negative 4, which gives us a positive 4. Don't leave it like that. Group the terms that we can together. We've got a term to the power of 4 there. We've got a number there, but these two in the middle are both y squared terms. We can simplify them. 12y squared, take away 2y squared, leaves us with 10y squared. So our final answer is negative 4y to the 4 plus 10y squared plus 4.